After all, why does Coca-Cola make a yellow lid once a year? The pencil was invented before rubber. So now the question arises, date in earlier time when rubber was not invented. Date is if there was no rubber. Then at that time used to erase what was written on the pencil. To know the answer to all these questions, stay tuned till the end of the video. Number 1. The eyes remain the same size from birth to death, but the nose and ear are always growing. Number 2. A person needs 18 trees to get oxygen for the rest of his life. Did you plant your share of tree? Number 3. All of you must have seen the Jurassic Park movie, but do you know this? The screaming sound of dinosaur in the movie Jurassic Park are derived from sex recording of turtle. Number 4. Number 5. You must be eating peanuts. But do you know this fact about peanuts? Peanuts are also used in making gunpowder. Number 6. This one is one such creature in the whole earth, who also has teeth on tongue. Number 7. When the news of Michael Jackson's death spread in the media, at that time Michael was being mentioned on Twitter 5,000 times every minute. Number 8. Who doesn't like watching a movie while eating popcorn? But do you know that popcorn is the oldest snack in the world? It is being eaten from the last 1000 years. Number 9. Friends, you must have seen pigeons, and very few people have seen the pigeon with which we will introduce you today. So meet Victoria Crown. This is the world's biggest and beautiful pigeon, and tell in the comment who has seen this pigeon. A man named Charles Osborne. Its hiccup did not stop for 68 years in a row. Number 11. Bread was used to erase pencil writing before rubber. Number 12. We humans do not know what to do to stay healthy. And do you know this thing? Even animals do a lot to keep themselves healthy. So this is the wood frog which freezes in winter to keep itself healthy and also melt when summer comes. Number 13. The Coca-Cola company bring out the yellow cap bottle in the market once a year. There is a special reason for this which is associated with the Jews. When the Jewish religion festival Passover comes, so in this festival the Jews live on a special diet. During this they are supposed to eat wheat, oats, corn and beans. Because Coca-Cola contains corn syrup, Jewish people avoid drinking it. Therefore once a year Coca-Cola launch a special type of Coke in the market. The taste of this special Coke is better than ever. Second, the amount of fructose in it is also less. Sugar is added instead of corn syrup. It is called kosher Coke. It is marketed with a yellow lid so that people can recognize it immediately. Therefore, as soon as it's come in the market, some people buy it in large quantities. Its price is also the same as normal Coca-Cola.